US Supreme Court building at sunrise. Cartoons headlines flashing, justice under security, and Congress targets Supreme Court ethics. The US Supreme Court is supposed to be impartial, independent, and above politics. But now the nation's highest court is facing one of the biggest credibility crises in decades. Congress is pushing forward with landmark ethics legislation that would require mandatory transparency and accountability for Supreme Court justice for the first time in American history. What's in the proposal law? Gavel slamming, close up of bill stakes, hearings in the Senate Judiciary Committee. The proposed bill, titled the Supreme Court Ethics, Recusal and Transparency Act, is gaining momentum on Capitol Hill. It includes several major provisions: a mandatory code of ethics for all Supreme Court justices, aligning the court with rules already followed by lower federal judges; stronger financial disclosure requirements, including gifts, travel, and outside income; clear disclosure rules requiring justice to step aside from cases involving personal or financial conflicts of interest; and a new oversight mechanism that would allow the public to see how and when justice report the disclosure. Senate Dick Durbin Judiciary Committee Chair said that the Supreme Court should not be immune from the basic rules of ethics that apply to every other branch of government. What shaped the reform push? New clips and headlines showing Justice Clarence Thomas and private jets luxury versions. The push for reform intensified after a series of explosions reports, particularly around Justice Clarence Thomas, who failed to disclose luxury tips, gifts, and real estate deals from wealthy Republican donors like Harlan Crow. ProPublica and other investigative outlets revealed undisclosed travel on private jets and yachts, lavish vacation worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, real estate deals involving the Justice family, and while these actions may not technically violate current law, they highlighted a massive gap in ethics enforcement, one that this legislation aims to close. Where does the bill stand now? Senate debate, lawmakers holding press conference, protesters outside the Capitol. The bill recently passed through the Senate Judiciary Committee in a party-line vote with Democrats in favor and most Republicans of their seating concerned about separation of powers and potential political interference. Senate Lindsey Graham said that this is about undermining the court's independence. We are opening the door to congressional overreach. But public support for reform is growing. Recent polls show over 70% of Americans believe the court should have a binding ethics code. Nearly two-thirds support stronger transparency and disclosure rules. Chief Justice John Roberts has said the court can police itself, but so far no official ethics code has adopted, promoting calls for Congress to step in. What's next? Montage of court rulings, protest signs Capitol Hill at dusk. The ethics reform bill faces a tough road ahead in the full Senate, where it would need bipartisan support to overcome a filibuster and a even steeper climb in the Republican-led House. Still, advocates say the conversation is long overdue and necessary to restore public trust in the judicial system. Republican Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez said that no branch of government should be approved accountability, not even the Supreme Court. As a landmark decision on abortion, election, and executive power continue to shape the country, pressure is building for the court to be held to the same ethical standards as everyone else. Whether this bill becomes law or not, one thing is clear: The era of unchecked power at the Supreme Court may be coming to the end. SCOTUS in Spotlight, Ethics Reform Fight hits up. Subscribe for updates on law, politics, and justice in America.